Hey, how's it going? My name is Tyler Lilly, and this review is for Tyler Espitia's Forex course. Before joining, I was just looking for another source of income, something, I could put my money and my profits for my business. Right now I'm doing digital marketing, helping companies out with web design, logo design, branding, and also SEO. I was looking for something I can apply my money to and, get my money back. And the reason why I joined his course specifically is because I didn't want really an MLM experience. I didn't want to get a whole bunch of people and push them back out really when I didn't learn the skill set first. I was looking for someone to teach me the skill set, how to actually do it and apply. And his course did that. So these charts look very confusing. I just wanted someone to break it down for me. And Tyler did that. That's why I joined him over anybody else offering the same thing he did. And his course was easy to break down, straight to the point, simple, and I was actually able to get my skill set down into turning my first profit. So his course, definitely recommended if you're looking to learn the skill set, if you're willing to apply the time, if you're willing to dedicate to it, it's definitely a go.